Welcome to the Financial and Lifestyle Freedom Podcast. So when is the right time to start a business? Well, starting a business is a huge decision. So when is the right time? In this episode, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on when the best time to start a business is. My name is Annette Ferguson and I am CEO of Annette Co, a UK-based accounting firm. I am also a chartered accountant and certified profit first professional. And today I'm covering when is the right time to start a business. Well, there can be a few different right times or a few things at least to consider when you are considering when the right time is. But a bit like deciding on when the right time to have a baby is, there may not just be one definitive right time. So first off, a right time can be when you have an idea for a business and are passionate about it. Many people have great ideas for businesses, but not everyone has what it takes to turn their idea into a successful reality. It takes more than just a good idea to start and grow a business. It takes passion, dedication, hard work, and a willingness to never give up. If you have an idea for a business and are passionate about making it happen, then it's the right time to start your journey. The road to success is honestly never easy, but if you're willing to put in the work, anything is possible. So if you have an idea that you're passionate about, don't wait any longer. Start today and turn your dreams into reality. Another time that you might find out that it's a good time to start a business is when you are ready to take the plunge and invest time, energy, and money into your business. Investing in a business is a big decision and shouldn't be taken lightly. And there are multiple things that you invest when you invest into a business. You invest time, you invest energy, and you invest money. Therefore, you need to take into consideration whether you have all of those available. If you're ready to make the commitment, then it's probably the right time to start your business. Keep in mind, however, that starting a business is a risk. There is no guarantee of success, no matter how well you plan or how talented you or any team you might take on might be. But if you're willing to take the risk, then it's time to go for it. So take a deep breath and jump in. Honestly, the water is just fine. And another time when you know you might be ready is when you have the support of your friends and family. Starting a business is an exciting endeavor, but it's also a big undertaking. Not only do you need to have a great idea for your business, but you also need to be able to finance it, market it, and manage it. Luckily, if you have the support of friends and family, you'll be in a much better position to succeed. With their help, you'll be able to get your business off the ground and start turning a profit. Additionally, they can provide emotional support when things get tough. So if you're feeling ready to start your business, be sure to include your loved ones in the process. With their help, you're sure to find success. And another flag that it might be the right time to start a business is when you're willing to work hard and put in the hours necessary to make your business successful. When you're willing to work hard and put in the hours necessary, then it may just be the right time. It takes a lot of dedication and commitment to get a business off the ground. And if you're not prepared to put in the effort, then it's not the time. There is a lot of important facets to starting a business, from coming up with a clever and innovative idea to building a great team to marketing and selling your product or service. If you're not willing to put in that work required at each stage, then it's not the right time to start. Once you've decided that you are ready to dedicate yourself to making your business successful, then you know it's time to take the leap. And another time when it might just be a flag that it's the right time is when you're not afraid to take risks. The key to success is calculated risks, being prepared to put in the hard work. If you're not afraid to take risks and you're willing to work hard, then starting a business may just be the right choice for you. Of course, there is no guarantee in business, but if you're prepared to fail and, importantly, learn from your mistakes, then you will eventually find success. So don't be afraid to take the plunge and start your own business. It could be the best decision that you've ever made. And 6, when you are prepared to learn from your mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, but it's especially important when you're starting a business. Not only do you have to learn about all the difficult aspects of running a company, but you also have to be prepared to deal with the inevitable setbacks and challenges that come with any new venture. The key is to view each mistake as an opportunity to learn and grow. By taking the time to reflect on what went wrong and why, you can avoid making the same mistake twice. Additionally, it's important to be open to feedback from your team and your clients. They often have valuable insights that can help you improve your business. So if you're prepared to learn from your mistakes, then you're ready to start a business with the right attitude and a little bit of determination. You can achieve success. And finally, when you're ready to be your own boss. Being your own boss is an appealing proposition for many people. The idea of setting your own hours, being in control of your own destiny, and reaping the rewards of your hard work is very appealing. However, starting a business is not a decision to be made lightly. There are many factors to consider before taking the plunge. Of course, you need to make sure that you have the financial resources in place to support yourself and your new business. Starting a business can be expensive and there is no guarantee of success. You also need to be prepared for the challenges of running a business. It can be difficult to motivate yourself when there is no deadline or bosses to answer to. And finally, you need to make sure that you have a good business plan. Without a clear idea of what you want to achieve, it will be very difficult to succeed. If you're ready to take the leap, then starting your own business can be a very rewarding experience. But make sure you've done your homework first. Otherwise, it can all end in tears. So there is no perfect time to start a business. You do just have to go for it. You can always fine-tune your ideas as you go along. The most important thing is to get started and gain some momentum. If you wait for the perfect time, you'll never start. So go out there and make your dream a reality.